Hi, and nice to see you back on this next video. This video will be the replacement of the little tray where the battery sits in. It's not rusty, it has only minor holes in it, but I will need to address that. So I will cut out that piece, put a new one in, and it will be like new again. So thank you for watching already. Thank you for subscribing. Those that didn't subscribe yet, subscribe, like, share it, and let's get on to it. So here we go. Battery tray. It has a hole in here and some puncture holes, but first I will clean this up and see how the metal is doing, if there is any secrets underneath it, but I guess it will be okay. Just this spot here and some other weldings that are not properly done, I guess, but therefore we first clean this up and see how it goes. All that green, it's a sort like of Bondo, but it's not a Bondo. My father told it was a sort of paint that they used against rust. So for a car of 55 years old, it did its job very well. So I'm very glad. Yeah, nice. Okay, now we're going to trim this, and then we make a piece that will fit into the hole. Now we have to make a template. I had a piece of wood that just fits in there, and paper. So if you lay it on, and we go underneath it, and now you tap on the corners where you have to move your wood. That's good, that's good. Yeah, and now you can make the templates. I'm not sure about this piece because I will make this in two, this one and this one, because this has to be a little bit dented here, like that. And we'll make two pieces because I have a corner here also. Okay, let's make the template. Now I made this piece. I cut out a piece in iron, so that's all. I just lay the template on the piece of sheet metal that I needed. Draw the line and just cut it out. And now we take the old piece. It's hard to see, but you have here a dentation. Yeah, where the piece was sitting in. Now I have made the same thing here. Yeah, so you see it here, very beautiful. Yeah, same dentation. But how did I make this? By hand, not with machinery. So I put a line here, line there, 4 lines where the hole has to be. And then you take metal, place it here, metal, place it there, screw it very tight, and then I made this piece here, and what I do is I tap here the whole line, turn the piece, tap here the whole line, the whole line, 4 corners, the same deal. Then you end up with this, make it square, make it even, then you have a beautiful inlay plate for the battery holder, the battery tray. So now I will trim it until it fits very beautiful, and then we will return to weld it. Okay, this is for the moment the end, and tomorrow I will grind it extra. So the battery tray is in. It's nicely done with this inside, so it stays as original as it can be. Right, battery tray is already made new and is welded in. Now I have this piece. This is the hook that was sitting here for the battery strap, but it was with holes, so I made a new piece almost like it was. And this has to be laid in here. So a little welding to do again. I prepped this piece and starting to weld now. Okay, here we go. I'll try to find my magnets here. I had 3. Okay, there they are. This is just to hold it in place. We have to look out for magnets, because if they get hot, they break. Okay. So this guy is good. This guy is also good. I have made a new piece. This is the old one. Let me show it. Yeah, that's the old one. And that's the new one. So that comes here.